Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
I am 29 years old.
I am 29 years old.
Are you a student?
Are you a student?
Are you a student?
No, I'm working now.
No, I'm working now.
No, I'm working now.
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
I live in Toronto.
I live in Toronto.
What languages do you speak?
What languages do you speak?
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
I speak English and French.
I speak English and French.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 097-874-6775.
My phone number is 097-874-6775.
My phone number is 097-874-6775.
What do you have for breakfast?
What do you have for breakfast?
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and coffee.
I usually have cereal and coffee.
I usually have cereal and coffee.
How do you get to work?
How do you get to work?
How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work.
I take the bus to work.
I take the bus to work.
What time do you start work?
What time do you start work?
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m.
When do you have lunch?
When do you have lunch?
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
What time do you finish work?
What time do you finish work?
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
What do you do after work?
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym after work.
I go to the gym after work.
I go to the gym after work.
What time do you have dinner?
What time do you have dinner?
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
What do you do in the evening?
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read books.
I watch TV or read books.
I watch TV or read books.
What time do you go to bed?
What time do you go to bed?
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
I would like a glass of water.
I would like a glass of water.
I would like a glass of water.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
Where do you usually eat lunch?
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch in the cafeteria.
I usually eat lunch in the cafeteria.
I usually eat lunch in the cafeteria.
Can you cook?
Can you cook?
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook basic meals.
Yes, I can cook basic meals.
Yes, I can cook basic meals.
How often do you eat out?
How often do you eat out?
How often do you eat out?
I eat out twice a week.
I eat out twice a week.
I eat out twice a week.
Do you have any food allergies?
Do you have any food allergies?
Do you have any food allergies?
No, I don't have any food allergies.
No, I don't have any food allergies.
No, I don't have any food allergies.
What did you have for breakfast today?
What did you have for breakfast today?
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had toast and eggs for breakfast.
I had toast and eggs for breakfast.
I had toast and eggs for breakfast.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
I prefer coffee in the morning.
I prefer coffee in the morning.
What do you do for work?
What do you do for work?
What do you do for work?
I work as an engineer.
I work as an engineer.
I work as an engineer.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
I work at a technology company.
I work at a technology company.
I work at a technology company.